Okay, Assalamualaikum and good morning. Mathematics 1, number system. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Okay, so start now. Question 1 to question 10. Question 1, kemudian question 2 and question 3. Question 4 dulu. Okay, so question 4, given z1 equals to the 2 minus I and z2 here equals to the negative 2 plus 3i. Question E, z1 times z2. Okay, this one just the answer. Yang mudah ni saja sebagai jawapan sahaja. Okay, so question E, z1 times z2, 2 minus I times negative 2 plus 3i. So here equals to the negative 1 plus 8i. Ambil jawapan, yang mudah ambil jawapan. And question B, z1 bar plus z2, and here equals to the 4i. And the next question C, ini saya tunjukkan. Okay, question C, z1 over z2, 2 minus I over negative 2 minus 3i. Okay, first here, find the conjugates of the denominator. Z2 here equals to the negative 2 minus 3i. So conjugate of the denominator equals to the negative 2 plus 3i. You just flip the sign between negative 2 and 3, flip to the positive sign. This one same terms but different sign. Yeah. So multiply both conjugates, multiply both numerator and denominator by the conjugates of the denominator. 2 minus I times negative 2 plus 3i, and the denominator here times negative 2 plus 3i. Yeah, and then expand negative 4 plus 6i plus 2i minus 3i squared, and denominator here 4 minus 6i plus 6i minus 9i squared. So I squared here equals to the negative 1. Okay, this one you will check. Okay, so equals to the negative 1, and here equals to the negative 1 plus 8i over 13, and final answer here in terms of the a plus bi. So final answer negative 1 over 13 plus 8 over 13 I. Okay, dapat jawapan. Question C yang paling penting, you punya conjugate. Conjugate ini pastikan betul lah. Pastikan conjugate ini betul, baru you punya solution yang lain tu okay. Okay. Okay, settle question 4 and question 5. Question 5 saya ingat tak ada masalah. Question 5, question A, negative third, negative 64. This one just check answer. Question B, 3 third, negative 27 minus third, negative 3. Ini pun sama, sangat mudah. Question C saya tunjukkan. Okay, question C, third negative 1 over h, and here equals to the negative 1 over 4 times 2, and denominator here equals to the 2 third 2. Okay, so remove third from the denominator, so here multiply with the third 2. Yeah, so I times third 2, and here 2 third 2 times third 2, and here denominator here equals to the 4. So final answer equals to the third 2 over 4 I. Okay, dapat jawapan. Okay, question 5 and question 6. Kalau you all ada soalan, you all boleh letak dalam chat meeting. Lepas ni saya jawab. Just type kat situ sahaja. Okay, question 6. Simplify the following expression. Question E, P power 4 Q raised to the power of negative 3 and the power of 3, and here 2P negative 2Q square and the power of a negative 3. Ini pun sama. Saya ingat this one you all check jawapan cukup. Ini mudah. Ha? Question A. And here question B. Okay, cek jawapan. Yang mudah ni saya biasa tak discuss. Ha? Yang mudah ni just ambil jawapan dan cek jawapan cukup. Okay, settle. Question 6 and question 7. Okay, question 7, solve the following equation. Okay, question A. Question A, 4 to the x minus 3 times 4 to the x power equals negative 2. Check question A. Okay, first here, you let the u equals to the 4 to the x power and write down the equation here in terms of u. U square minus 3u plus 2 and equal to 0. And factorize the equation, u minus 2 times u minus 1, and u here equals 2 and u equals to 1. Yeah. And find the value of x. So 4 to the x power here equals 2, and here 4 to the x equals to 1, and x here equals to the 1 over 2, and x here equal to the 0. Yeah, dapat jawapan. Okay, question 7A and question 7B. Ini pun sama. Question 7B, 3 raised to the power of 2x plus 1 and plus 3 and equals to the 10 times 3 to the x power. Yeah. So first here, 3 to raised to the power of the 2x plus 1. Yang ini ya. Dia punya first term. Okay, so here equals to the 3 raised to the power of 2x times 3 and 3 times 3 to the x, and here is a power of 2. Okay, check you punya terms, and plus 3, and here equals to 10 and times 3 to the x power. Okay, you punya power ini dia mesti power of x. This one is 3 to the x power, and here 3 to the x power. So you let u here equals to the 3 to the x power, and write down the equation in terms of u. 3u square plus 3 and equals to the 10u. 3 square plus 3 minus 10u and here equal to the 0. Factorize the equation. U minus 3 times 3u minus 1, and the u here equals to the 3 and u equals to the 1 over 3. Okay, the answer. And then 3 to the x equals 3, and then x here equals to 1, and 3 to the x here equals to the 1 over 3, or 3 raised to the power of negative 1, and x here equals to the negative 1. Yeah. So the value of x here equals to the plus minus 1. Ada dua jawapan. Okay, check answer. Okay, question B and question C. Okay, question C check dulu dia punya solution. Okay, question C. 3 raised to the power of 2x divided by 3 cube minus 4 times 3 to the x power over 3 square plus 1, and here equal to the 0. Okay, check soalan. Yeah. And first here, move out the power, 3 raised to the power of 2x. So power here, power of 2, and here equals to the 3 to the x power. Ni check you punya terms. And 3 cube here, times 1 over 27 and divided by 3 square times 1 over 9 and plus 1 and equal to the 0. Okay. And here equals to the 1 over 27, 3 to the x power of 2 minus 4 over 9 times 3 to the x plus 1 and here equal to the 0. Okay. So first step, you let the u here equals to the 3 to the x power. Ini saya tunjukkan step by step, lagi mudah. Okay. And then step 2 here, write down the equation in terms of u. 1 over 27 u square minus 4 over 9u plus 1 and here equal to 0. And here factorize the equation u minus 3 times u minus 9 and here equal to 0. Saya tunjukkan step by step. And you let u here equals to the u minus 3 equal to the 0 and u minus 9 here equals to the 0. This one, you find the value of u here equals 3 and u here equals to 9. And last here, find the value of x. Dia ada 5 step sahaja sebenarnya. Okay. Question A and question B pun sama. Method dia sama sahaja. You start the value, you let u here equals to the 3 to the x power. Second, write down the terms in terms of u. And then factorize the equation, find the value of u, and then last year find the value of x. Better you buat step by step macam ini lagi mudah, ya. Okay, question settle, question C, question 7, and question 8. Okay, question E, 5 minus 1, 5 minus cert 1 plus q, and equals to the cert 2q plus 3. Okay, first step, squaring both sides. Saya punya short term SBS, squaring both sides. So first here, 5 left hand side, 5 minus cert 1 plus q. Ini saya tunjukkan sahaja. Okay, so squaring both sides, 5 minus cert 1 plus q times 5 minus 1 plus q. Ini saya just nak tunjukkan dia punya basic saja. 5 times 5, 5 times negative 1 plus q, negative 1 plus q times 5, and here negative 1 plus q times negative 1 plus q. Itu dia punya proses dia. You all boleh nampak, okay? And then answer you here, left hand side of the equation 25 plus 1 plus q minus 2q minus 3. Dapat jawapan. And then right hand side here, 2q plus 3 and the power of 2. Set 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 here equals to the 1. So answer you here equals to the 2q plus 3. Ini mudah saja, ya. Yeah? And the second, squaring both sides again. Ini kali kedua, SBS. Okay. So 23 minus q times 23 minus q. And here equals to the 10 set 1 plus q square. Okay. And then answer here equals to the q square minus 46q plus 529 equals to the 100 plus 100q. Okay. And factorize the equation q minus 143 times q minus 3 equal to 0. And the q here equals to the 143 and q equals to the 3. Dapat jawapan. Yeah. And then the last step, you check the value, the left hand side, and you compare with the right hand side of the equation. Okay, first value, q here equals to the 143. So you substitute this value into the equation. 5 minus 1 plus q, 1 plus 143, and the right hand side here, 2q plus 3. So the left hand side equals to the negative 17, and the right hand side here equals to the 17. So the left hand side here not equals to the right hand side. So this value you reject, yeah. So you rejects, okay. So not equals, and the second value, q here equals 3, ini pun sama. This value you substitute into the equation, and here substitute into the 2q plus 3, yeah. And then you compare the left hand side, here equals to the 3, and the right hand side here equals to the 3. So this one you accept, okay. So question answer here equals to the q equals to the 3, yeah. This method you kena buat the last method here. You compare the left hand side compare with the right hand side of the equation. Ada certain solution yang saya check dalam MS Team, ada yang buat sampai sini sahaja. Kalau you buat sampai sini sahaja, maksudnya you punya method tu you buat cuma hub sahaja. Hub lagi method tu you tak buat. Yang ini, the hub you punya first squaring both side, and then you squaring both side again, dapat the value of q, and the last method ada dua step lagi tertinggal kat belakang. Ini pastikan buat Ada ramai tak buat saya ingat. Dalam saya dah check semalam, ya. Yeah? Okay, question A and question B. Okay, question B, set at x plus 17 minus set 2x equals to the set 2x plus 9. Okay, check dulu solution. Okay, so here set at x plus 17 minus set 2x. So the left hand side of the equation, ini macam tadi, sama saja. So here you expand set at x plus 17, and here minus set 2x, negative set 2x at x plus 17, and this one negative set 2x times negative set 2x. Ya, sama saja. Okay. And then here you all check solution. So here equals to the at x plus 18, and here equals 2 times 2x at x plus 17. Yeah. So the left hand side of the equation here equals to the 4x plus 4, and the right hand side here equals to the 16x squared plus 34x. Okay, check answer. And here squaring both sides again, 4x plus 4 square, and here equals to the 16x squared plus 34x, and here find the value of x. X here equals to at. Question B ni you all dapat satu saja. Question A tadi, you all ada dapat dua jawapan. Ya, you boleh check. And then last step, you check the answer. You compare the left hand side and the right hand side of the equation. This one you substitute saja. Okay. So the value of x here equals to 8. Substitute into the equation. So the left-hand side of the equation here equals to the third at x plus 17 minus third 2x, and the right-hand side here equals to 2x plus 9. Yeah. So substitute the left-hand side here equals to the 5, and then the 2x plus 9, and here equals to the 5. Yeah. So this one, the left-hand side equals to the right-hand side. So you accept the value, and conclusion you here, the value of x here equals to the n. Okay. Jadi solution ni you kena buat step by step lah sampai last kali. Okay, settle question B and question 9. Okay, question 9, question A. 2 log 3 base x minus log x base 3 plus 1 and equal to the 0. Yeah. First step, change to the base 3. You punya base, this one, base 3. Okay. So 2 logs 3 base x change to the 2 logs 3 base 3 over logs x base 3, yeah, minus logs x base 3 plus 1, and here equal to the 0. Logs 3 base 3 here equals to 1, and here equals to the 2 over logs x base 3 minus logs x base 3 plus 1, and here equal to the 0, yeah. And you let u here equals to the logs x base 3, and write down the equation in terms of u, 2 over u minus u plus 1, and here equal to the 0. Yeah. And denominator of the equation here equals to 2 over u. This one you remove the denominator and times multiplies with u. Yeah. 2 over u times u here equals to negative u times u square, and 1 plus times u here plus equals to the u, and here equal to the 0. Okay, and factorize the equation u minus 2 times u plus 1, and here equal to 0, and u here equals 2, and u here equals to the negative 1. Yeah. And you let logs x base 3 equals to u 2, and logs x base 3 here equals to the negative 1, and last here x here equals to 9, and the value of x here equals to the 1 over 3. Okay, dapat jawapan. Ya. Ini pun dia ada this one pun saya ingat dia ada beberapa step lah. Yang first step dicek balik this one dia punya base. Saya tunjukkan dia punya basic step saja. This one dia punya first, okay, base, and then write down the equation here in terms of u, and here factorize the equation. This one find the value of u, and last here you find the value of x. Okay, dia ada 5 step yang penting kat situ. Yeah. Okay, settle question A and question B. Okay, check answer. Question B. Logs x base 5 plus 12 logs 5 base x and equals to the 7. Yeah. So here logs 5 and here logs base 5 and here logs base x. So first change to base 5. Sama saja. Okay. So here logs x base 5. And here you change to the logs 5 base 5 over logs x base 5. Yang ini ya. You change to the base 5. And here equals to the 7. And logs 5 base 5 here equals to 1. Yeah. So logs x base 5 plus 12 over logs x base 5. And here equal to the 7. And write down the equation here in terms of u. Ini sama macam tadi. Step 1. And here in terms of u. This one saya tunjukkan step saja. Okay. So u plus 12u over 7 over u, and here equal to 7. And here factorize the equation. Factorize. here, step 3. And then step 4 here, find the value of u. U here equals to 4 and u here equals to 3. This one is find u. And last here, you find the value of x. Yeah. This one, u plus 12 over u and here equals to the 7. Ini saya tunjukkan sekali lagi ya. So here you multiply with u times u. U times u square, 12 over u times u here equals to the 12, and negative 7 times u here equals to the negative 7u. Yeah. So you remove the u from the denominator. Jadi denominator ni nanti dia punya denominator ni nanti cuma value dia equals to the 1 saja. Yeah. So if we factorize, u here equals to 4, u equals 3, and u here equals to the log x base 5, and last here you find the value of x. Yeah. Question A, question B, dia punya method dia sama saja. Yeah. Okay, question C. Okay, question C, log x power of 4 base 2 plus log 4x base 2, and here equals 12. Okay. So first, log x power 4 base 2 plus log 4 plus log x. Yeah. Okay, and here equals to the 12. Check you punya first step. Ni. Okay, logs 4 base 2 plus logs x base 2. This one. Okay, and here equals to the logs 2 square and plus logs x base 2, and here equals to the 12. And here this one equals to the 1. Okay, no, this one. 2 logs 2 base 2, and here equals to 1. Ini ya. Okay, 1. Okay, and 4 logs x base 2 plus logs x base 2, this one equals to the 5 logs x base 2, and equals 10. And logs x base 2 equals 2, and x here equals to the 2 square, or x here equals to the 4. Yeah. Question C ni lagi mudah. Question C ni you all tak perlu let, you all tak perlu write down the in terms of u, tak perlu factorize dan sebagainya. You just pakai saja. Okay, this one question C base 2, but dia tukar base dia sama saja, tak ada masalah, pakai terus ya. Yeah? Okay, question 10. Okay, question 10, set 14 plus 6 set 5, and inform a plus b set 5, a and b integers. Okay, so first here you let the set 14 plus 6 set 5, and here equals to the a plus b set 5. Yeah. And square in both side. This one you punya first step. Saya tunjukkan step by step. Yeah. So for set 14 plus 6 set 5, and here equals to the a plus b set 5 square. And you compare the left hand side here equals to the a plus 5 b square, and equals to the 14. Yang ini yang saya tunjukkan. This one you compare with the 14. This one the first equation, and 2ab set 5, and here equals to the 6 set 5. Saya tunjukkanlah kalau you tak nampak. Saya tunjukkan this one. Okay, lagi nampak. So here second equation, 2ab set 5 equal to the 6 set 5, and then write down the a here in terms of b. A equals to the 3 over b. Yeah, this one step 2, 3 over b. Okay, and substitute into the equation, 3b square, substitute here, Substitute into the first equation, and then plus 5b square and equals to the 14. And then factorize the equation, 5b square minus 9 times b square minus 1, and here equal to 0. And b square here, b square minus 1 equal to 0, b here equals to the plus minus 1. Okay, and here you reject plus minus 9 over 5. This one you will reject. Okay, and find the value of a. A here equals to the 3, and a here equals to the negative 3. Okay, this one you punya step 3. Here you punya step 4. This one you punya step 5, value of a. And last here, write down the final answer. Okay, so final answer equals to the 3 plus 5. This one the positive sign. And the second here negative value, negative 3 minus negative 5. Ada dua jawapan. Okay, ataupun this one kalau you all nak pakai plus minus pun boleh, tak ada masalah. Final answer ni tak ada masalah. Okay, final answer. Yang penting you punya solution daripada pertama sekali. Yeah. Okay, settle question 10. And question 1 to 3. 1 to 3 ni saya just tunjukkan dia punya solution cukup lah. Yang mudah ni saya bagi jawapan sahaja. Dia tak perlu discuss. Okay, check answer. Question 1, question CLO1 determines the following statement true or false. This one dia punya question macam ini pun ada juga dalam exam nanti, tapi markah dia tak besar lah. Saya tunjukkan dia punya markah saja. Dia punya answer here true or false. This one 1 marks. Okay. And then you punya reason, correct reason 1 marks. Maka dia ada 2 saja. Okay, maka dia tak banyak. Paling besar pun kalau soalan CLO1 ni, maka dia paling besar pun 2 ke 3 sajalah paling besar. Soalan calculation tu besar markah dia. Soalan calculation biasa dia 8. Kalau panjang lagi dia punya solution dia 10. Kalau lagi panjang maybe sampai ke 12 markah. Okay, tengok dia punya solution lah, tengok dia punya step. Ya. Yeah. Okay, check answer question 1. Okay, settle question 1. Saya ramai boleh buat lah. Question 1 ni mudah saja. And question 2. Question 2. Decimals in a fraction ini pun sama. Saya ingat tak perlu tunjuk. You just check you punya method. X here equals to the 0.0674674 first equation. Second equation 10x. Third equation here 10,000. And last here you find the value of x. Sama boleh buat dah. Ini saya ingat tak ada masalah. Check answer. And then the question B here, second equation 1000x. Third equation here 100,000x. And last here find the value of x. Okay. Mudah saja. Okay, mudah saja. Ini tak perlu salin lah. Ini you all snap saja, cukup dia punya solution dia. Okay, and question number 3. Okay, question number 3, solve the following using a real number line and then express answer here using interval notation. Ini saya tunjukkan. Dia ada 2 benda kat sini. First here, method using the number line. And the second here, final answer using interval notation. Okay, this one you punya final answer. Okay. So final answer maybe dia kita ada pilihan dia ada banyak option, sama ada using interval notation, using solution set ataupun you punya number line. Dia banyak solution. Jadi you pick you best kepada dia punya solution. Ikut saja dia punya soalan kat sini, ya. Kalau dia nak interval notation, pakai interval notation. Kalau dia nak solution set, you pakai solution set. Kalau dia tak tetapkan, you boleh pilih mana-mana mudah untuk you pakai, ya. Okay, so method here using number line. Question A, this one intersection between -2, 4 and 0, 3. So intersection between 0 and 3. So you draw the number line. Okay, question 3A and question B. -1/2 unions 1/4 close bracket. This one using unions. Okay, and 1/4 here close bracket. Okay, so here you put the then circle at 1 and x equals to 4 here you put the then circle. Yeah. So unions, supaya jawapan diambil semua. Union ni paling mudah. Union ni you all tak perlu fikir panjang. Kalau union sahaja, confirm dia akan ambil semua value. So answer you here, -1, 4, and here semi-open bracket. Yeah. And number C, 2, 5, semi-open bracket, intersect 3, 6, close bracket. And this one intersection between 3 and 5. Sama saja. So this one solution 3, 5 semi-open bracket. And last year -2, 6 unions 1, 6. Ini pun sama unions. Unions mudah saja ambil semua. Tak perlu fikir panjang pun, ambil semua. Okay, so answer you here -2, 6 close interval. And last -∞ 2 and intersect 2 to the positive infinity. Okay. Question E ni ada sikit lain sikit. Question C kalau check no solution or answer you here null set. Dia tak ada intersection. This one -∞ 2. Okay, and second here 2 to the positive infinity. Kat tengah ni tak ada sebarang intersection. Okay, so it equals to the null set. Okay, kecuali kalau saya ubah soalan dia -∞ 2 unions 2 to the positive infinity. Kalau macam itu lagi mudah. Kalau unions, so answer you here all the real numbers -∞ to the positive infinity. Okay, mudah saja. Okay dah, question 4 settle. Okay, oh ya, sebelum itu saya nak bagi tahu you punya tutorial nanti. Sebab kami dah check dengan you punya folder dalam MS Team. Kalau you all buat tutorial, kalau you upload you punya tutorial tu, you punya group, katakanlah group A ya, you ada 5 members. You all ada 5 members, you ada 10 soalan. Maksud dia seorang members tu ada 2 soalan lah kalau you bagi tugas. Jadi kalau nak memudahkan you punya urusan, lantik seorang daripada you punya members tu jadi PIC. Katakanlah LU1 ni Ahmad jadi PIC, nanti Ahmad dia akan compile daripada you punya solution semua, dia akan scan dan dia akan masukkan ke dalam satu PDF file saja. Nanti you punya solution nanti cuma satu PDF file saja. Jangan submit terlalu banyak. Ada kumpulan semalam saya cek, dia submit sampai ke 5 ke 6 file dalam satu folder tu. Kami nak tengok cuma satu file, satu PDF file sahaja. Okay? Dan nanti untuk extra exercise pun sama juga. Nanti seorang ketua dan nanti dia akan compile semua solution dan dia akan upload satu PDF file sahaja. Maksudnya nanti satu tutorial, satu PDF file dan extra exercise pun cuma satu PDF file sahaja. Jadi untuk memudahkan you punya urusan, you lantik seorang PIC ataupun ketua untuk setiap LU. Jadi nanti seorang members daripada you punya team tu nanti dia akan dapat 2 LU, dia jadi PIC. Nanti dia akan bertugas untuk compile you punya solution nanti untuk mudahkan you punya tugas, ya. Okey, dan satu lagi saya punya solution ini saya akan letakkan dalam saya punya channel nanti. You all boleh check kalau you nak check balik you punya solution nanti saya punya channel Ibrahim B. Check balik kat situ nanti, ya. Okey, ada sebarang soalan? Saya buka, saya check kalau ada soalan. Kalau ada soalan you boleh tanya. Pakai mic pun boleh. Okey, ada 33. Okey, bagus. Saya ingat kelas ini ada 34. Seorang lagi tu dia pergi ke vaksin. Okey, tak apalah. Kalau you all tak dapat adik kelas, beritahu awal lah. Boleh email kepada lecturer ataupun email kepada coordinator, Mr. Andy ataupun Madam Faziana. Okay, question 1. Question A. If I let 1 over x p raised to the power of 18 raised to the power of negative 15. Check question 6A. Check dulu. Okay, saya faham maksud dia. Kita check balik. Question 6 daripada Isma Nurdiana. Okay, saya pergi question 1. Yang lain tu kalau ada soalan, you all type dalam chat meeting. Kita pergi ke question 6A. Saya faham maksud dia. Maksud dia macam ini. Okay, this one. Question 6A. So final answer here 1 over 8 P raised to the power of 18 and Q raised to the power of negative 15. You punya final answer better letakkan dalam sampai ke sini. Kita pakai positif lagi bagus. Numerator here power of 18 positive and denominator here add Q raised to the power of 15. You punya final answer sampai ke sini. Okay? Boleh sampai ke sini. Tapi kalau sampai sini pun final answer ni biasa kita tak ni sangat sebenarnya. Kalau saya terima lah. Kalau sampai sini pun okey. Tapi biasa dia sampai sini kita buat. Kita ambil yang positif dia punya power. Ya. Yeah? Okay, settle. Question 6 and question 7. Question 2. Mana tadi? Sekejap saya cek balik. Question 2, question 7 daripada Brandon. Do we need to prove the value to see whether it is accepted or reject? Okay, kita pergi balik. Question 7. Question 7. Mana tadi ya? Ya, ini question ini. Okay, yeah. This one questions A and B. Saya beritahu tadi, this one if you just give the solution sampai ke sini saja. Okay, kalau sampai sini saja betul. Tapi you punya solution dia tak complete. Kita nak you punya solution, you check the left hand side, check the right hand side of the equation, and then you compare. Not equals, you reject. Kalau dia equals 3 here equals to 3, so this one you accept. So the final answer here, Q here equals to 3. Jadi this one memang kena buat. Ya. Kalau you tak buat, you punya markah nanti tak cukup. Kalau markah dia ada 10, maybe kita akan bagi you paling besar pun dapat 7 saja. Lagi 3 markah tu you tak dapat. Ya. Lagi 3 markah tu you punya method tu tak cukup lah. You punya method tu tak cukup dan tak complete. Jadi you tak dapat full marks nanti. Better buat full solution. Ya. Okay. Okay. Dan seterusnya ada lagi soalan yang lain. Okay, saya buka kalau ada soalan. Ataupun you nak pakai phone pun boleh. Saya tunggu kalau ada soalan.
Sir, I have a question for Question 8. So can you hear me?
Yeah. Okay, yeah.
If I bring the negative square root 1 plus q to the right hand side, then the final answer is the same. Is it okay?
Which one? Question A or question B?
Question A.
Question A. Which one? The first part? The first square root both side or the second square root both side? So what is your answer? What is your final answer?
After the recheck or the value of q?
What is the value of Q? Q equals
My
to the?
value of q is the same. Q equals to 143 and q equals to
Oh yeah.
3.
Okay, no problem. Q equals to the
Okay.
143 and the Q here equals to the Q equals to the 3. No problem. It's up to you. Boleh, tak ada masalah. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, ya. Question 8 ini, kelas. Question 8 ini kalau you ada, yang question 8 ini kita ada beberapa option sebenarnya. Kalau you ubahkan dia punya terms ini pergi ke sebelah kiri atau sebelah kanan, tapi dia punya jawapan akhir dia dapat Q equals to the 143, Q equals to 3 pun kita terima, tak ada masalah. Ya. But term dia cuma ubah tempat saja sebenarnya. Ya. Tapi je final answer dia sama saja, tak ada masalah. It's up to you, boleh pakai. Ya. Dan satu lagi saya nak just tunjukkan, satu lagi tadi question mana? Question number 9 ini. Question number 9 ini saya ingat kalau you pakai base X pun boleh juga, tapi you kena tukar dua-dua base X, ya. Maksud dia kalau you pakai base 3, pakai base 3 saja. Kalau you pakai base X, pakai base X saja. Dia punya jawapan akhir dia pun sama saja saya ingat. Okay? Dia tak ada masalah, ya. You all boleh pilih mana-mana method yang mudah dia boleh pakai. Okay? Okay, lagi soalannya lain kalau ada.
Hello,
Ay,
sir.
yeah, hello.
Can I ask when we need to show our check-in step?
Okay, yeah. Question number 8.
No. When we need to show our check-in to prove the answer is accepted or not.
Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay, so you need to show your probing method here after you get the value of Q. Okay. First, saya tunjukkan dia punya method saja. So first here, first method, step 1 here, you square in both side. And then the step 2 here, you square in both side again. And then the step 3, and then here you find the value of Q. Q equals to the 143 and Q here equals to the 3. And then the step 4 here, you compare the left hand side and then the right hand side of the equation. Okay, and the last step 5, you find the final answer. Okay, this one the final answer. Dia ada 5 step. Okay, this one you follow dia punya step saja. Step 1 square both side. Step 2 square both side again. Step 3 here you find the value of Q. Step 4 here you compare left hand side, right hand side. And last here you punya final answer. You reject or you accept the answer. Okay, jadi this one you punya compare adalah di step 4 tempat dia. Dia ada 5 step. Ya. Okay, boleh?
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, kalau untuk question 7 dan question 9 perlu ke check-in?
Question 7 and question 9. Okay,
Yeah.
kita check. Question 7, question 7 logs, no need. Logs here no need. You tak perlu check. You just find the value of x. X here equals to the 1/2. X here equal to 0. Tak perlu. Question 7 tak perlu. 7B pun tak perlu. Question 7C pun tak perlu. Question 8 you check. Question 9 pun tak perlu. Ya. Question yang ada logs itu you tak perlu check dia punya step kat sini. Ini mana step tadi saya tunjukkan. Mana tadi ya? Ini ni. Question 7 and question 7 and question 9, you punya follow saja dia punya step ini. Step 1, change the base 5. Step 2 here in terms of u. Step 3 here factorize. Step 4 here find the value of u. Last here find the value of x. You no need to probe. You tak perlu tunjukkan dia punya probing, the left hand side and the right hand side. The probing method, you just show untuk question number 8 saja. Ini ni, question number 8. Kalau you jumpa question yang ada cert macam ini, cert 5 minus cert 1 plus q, cert 2 plus q, this one you kena compare left hand side, compare with the right hand side of the equation. Kalau logs tak perlu, you buat macam biasa saja. Okay, boleh?
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, next ada lagi soalan. Okay, and then question Nur Damia. Question 1, the reason must be exactly same with the answer given. Reason question 1 ini kita reason you kita pakai logik saja. Dia tak exact dia tak perlu exact based on the you punya script jawapan macam ini, tak perlu. Based pada you punya logik sahaja kita akan terima. Kalau answer you tu logik dan bertepatan dengan konsep, kita terima. Dan you punya reason ini jangan tulis panjang sangat. Kalau untuk reason dalam exam nanti, you just tulis satu line saja. Jangan tulis panjang sangat. Ini mathematics, bukan biology. Biology you boleh tulis satu page. Kalau mathematics, satu line cukup reason. Kalau sebab dia adalah 1 mark sahaja, maka dia tak banyak pun. Ya, satu line cukup. This one logic. Tak perlu terlalu ikut dia punya nota. You just ikut dia punya logic thinking saja. Okay, boleh? Okay, ada lagi question yang lain? Dan minggu hadapan saya ingat, saya cek dulu saya punya jadual. Minggu hadapan kita tak ada tutorials dan tutorial kita yang kedua akan berjalan pada minggu ke-6 nanti. 20 hari bulan 9 sampai ke 24 hari bulan 9. Lagi 2 minggu daripada sekarang. Okay. Okay, dan nanti saya download dulu you punya attendance. Jangan keluar dahulu. Hari ini ada 34. Okey, tak apa. 34 is okey lah. Maksudnya semua hadir tak masalah. Kecuali seorang tadi pergi ke vaksin. Okey, saya ingat tak ada lagi soalan. Okey. Okey, tak ada. Okey, kalau tak ada soalan. Ya. Okey.
I want to ask for question 3E.
Okey, ya.
If I write subset of 2, is it acceptable that I write curly bracket 2 curly bracket?
Question 3E?
3E.
3, okay. 3A. 3A or 3E?
E.
3E, yeah. 3E, this one. Question 3E here, no solution. Question 3E here, no solution. Or answer you here, you put the null set. Null set, this one. You put the null set, no solution. Yeah. You put the no solution, or you put no answer, or you put a null set here. This one dia punya final answer. Okay? Boleh?
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, good. Okay. Question E saja yang lain daripada lain. Question yang lain tu you pakai open bracket, close bracket or the semi-open bracket. Question E ni dia tak ada solution, so here you write down the null set. Dia tak ada jawapan sebenarnya. Ya, okay. Okay, ada lagi soalan yang lain? Tak ada. Okay, pukul 11. Jadi kalau tak ada soalan, saya ingat itu sahaja untuk hari ini. Dan saya sudahi dengan ucapan Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank
you,
you, sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.